Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to operate the turn signal or blinkers. I've noticed that there is some confusion on how this works compared to like an old gas or ice car. So that tutorial is coming up. So I've noticed that some people, I guess, when you switch over from a gas car to an EV like a Rivian, and Tesla's the same way, the way the turn signals work are a little bit different. So you know how like in your gas car, you basically either would hold the turn signal up if you want to just blink it a couple times, or you can push it all the way up and it clicks and it stays like that until you either make a 90-degree turn or you forcibly put it back into the neutral position to turn it off. So it's a little bit different with Rivians. There's two ways you can do this. So one is if you want that a couple of blinks, it'll blink 3 times, and I'm going to call that a half click. So if we do the stock a half click up, 1, 2, and 3, and then it turns off. So that's the half click, kind of like if you're holding it in your gas car. And then also there's the full click where you can actually feel the stock click, and that's when it stays on forever. So if we do that, you feel that click, and now the turn signal is going to stay on forever until you do one of two things. Either you make a 90-degree turn, and then it'll automatically turn off by itself, or you can half click the stock either way, and it'll turn off. So what I've been seeing online is people actually have been saying that you can only do it the same way, which is kind of weird because I guess the way I've been, driving, learned how to drive, just second nature for me is to do it the other way. And so that's how I've been doing it. So if we're turn signaling right here, normally what I would do is I would half click it down. It's like we're turning left to turn it off. So if we do that, half click down, it turns off the signal. And again, you can do it the other way too. So if we full click it on again, it's clicking. If we click it a half click up, it also turns off the signal. So that's how you operate the turn signals. That's only the real difference is just the half click and the full click. So just make sure, once you start driving the Rivian, you understand that's the difference, and that's why the turn signal does what it does. It either stays on or it turns off. So hope that was helpful. If you have any comments, let me know below, and thanks for watching.